Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Khalid from Agro Power. Today we want to introduce to all of you Mr. Rafeal Prado. He is from JF Brazil, and he will tell you about their selling machinery. And firstly, he will introduce himself and tell something about JF and about their products.
Hello, friends from Pakistan. Welcome. It is a pleasure to be here in Pakistan, visiting our friends from Agro Power here in Lahore, Mr. Khalid, Mr. Danesh. And JF is a Brazilian company, one of the largest manufacturer of forage equipment like chaff cutters, forage harvesters, balers, and all kinds of solutions for livestock farmers, for livestock feeding. Okay, and today here we are at their showroom in Lahore, showing a little bit about our machines. We have here the line or the range of fodder processors or hammer mills, chaff cutters. It is a dual, the JF2D is a dual purpose machine. You can do two functions with this machine here. You can grind grains. Here is the grain hopper where you feed grains for being ground. Here you have several sieves that you can see here. So you have several size particles that you can change on the machine to get different particle sizes for different type of grains, different type of animals. You can use for feeding chicken, poultry, mutton, and cattle, buffaloes, and all kinds of livestock. And also you have here the feeding tray where you put the stalks of green forage or straw. Here you will be able to feed it here, and on the rotor it will chop for either fresh feeding or doing silage, which is preserving forage for being used in the future. Okay, we have the models JF2D, and also we have the model 5D, which is here. Okay, it's the same principle, just different capacities. And on the corner there you can see also JF10D, which is a tractor mounted model. Okay.
Mr. Prado, we want to ask you that what makes your products different from the market?
Okay. We have a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in Brazil where we design the machines to be more durable, more productive, and with better grinding action and with better chopping action for the farmer. Okay, so if you can see the blades of our machines, blades and hammers, you can see here inside. Okay, the blades and hammers of our machines, they are hardened inside our factory, so they receive hardening for longer durability. Okay, and you can use four sides, so you have 4 lives, and also the blades, they are hardened inside our factory for longer durability of the sharpness. Okay, if you see the quality of steel, the thickness of the walls, the welding process, we have welding robots that weld the parts so you have a better fit, and when you need spare parts also they will fit perfectly to the machine. So the manufacturing of these machines are much more precise and with higher quality than other machines you can see in the market.
Thank you very much, Mr. Prado, for coming here to Pakistan and briefing us about this machine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're very welcome.